Hello everyone, so today I will share how to make amazing dripping effect on couple portraits in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing Instagram post 4:5 format for my canvas here, and I will here write drip. Okay, and go to graphics, click on see all and scroll down to find this element which says paint dripping circle. Okay, so I will use this one and I will just make it bigger and just paste it downwards here, and after that I will write here circle outline. Okay, and I will choose this outline. Okay, and change the color to white. Okay, and just make it bigger. So this one is good, and after that I will use the image, and for this example I am using this image of couple which I have downloaded from pixels.com. Okay, and let's work on it. So I will use this image and let's make it bigger, and let's decrease the transparency and check whether it's working for us or not. Okay, okay, like this, and after that just increase the transparency and right click it to send to backward so that it's just behind the circle, and after that use the crop element to crop the circle, and I will crop till this part, and after that click on done, and after that just click on Ctrl plus X to cut the image. Okay, and click on add page and add it here, and as you can see the rest of the parts are not present here, so click on edit and scroll here in Magic Studio to find Magic Expand, and in select a size click whole page and click on expand. So let's use this one, click on done. Okay, and after that I will just go to elements here, and as you can see I have selected a background which says blue gradient background. Okay, so I will use it in the first page. Okay, and I will just decrease the transparency again and just make it smaller. Okay, and after that I will again cut this, and I will just use BG remover on this image. So when the background is removed in this couple portrait, now use the background of this layer with the blue gradient and increase the transparency to 100 and right click it, go to layer, send to back. So when this part is done, now click on share, click on download, make sure you download both the images in PNG and click on download. So when both the downloads are done, click on add page and just upload both the images which you just downloaded. Okay, and scroll down to apps, here write blend and click on this blend image app, and make sure the blend mode is in screen, and now select the bottom layer as this element layer, and for the couple select this top layer. So as you can see the design here is partially done, so I will click on add page and just bring the design in the canvas, and make it to the same size of the canvas. Okay, now I will just use this couple portrait only. Click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. Okay, and now you can just use it like this. So as you can see, the design is ready, and in this way you can make a couple portrait easily with dipping effect in Canva. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial and stay tuned to find more new tutorials in this channel. And if you have any query regarding any tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel so that you can get notifications of my new tutorials. Thank you.